And so let us see this problem. Width of a river is 30 meters and river velocity is 4 meters per second. Rowing velocity of the boatman is 5 meters. So let it be a river. This one, the river velocity is 4 meters per second in this direction, and the width of the river, this one is 30 meters. So that is equal to W. And here let it start up from here. Here pointed to in this direction perpendicular. Perpendicular. Why it is perpendicular? The river, the crossing the river in shortest time. Within the shortest time to cross this river, it must be rowing in perpendicular to the bank of the river from here. So the VBR in this direction, VBR is equal to how much? 5 meters per second. So the river is in this direction. What is asking here? Net velocity of the boat. Net velocity of the boat at shortest time. Time minimum. In this direction, time minimum is equal to S by V. S is equal to the width of the river, that is 30 by V means 5 meters, 5 meters per second, 6 seconds will be the time to take and to cross the river in minimum time. So, and also what is asking here, net velocity of the boatman. Net velocity means the river velocity is V are in this direction, VB are in this direction, the net it should be in this direction. So the net velocity VB is equal to VBR plus VR, and this is the vectors addition. So the net velocity VB is equal to root over, since they are perpendicular, and it is equal to 5 square plus VR means 4 square, that is equal to root over 25 plus 16, that is equal to root 41 meters per second with velocity. This is the resultant velocity magnitude, but and also the angle is to be measured in the direction. So theta is equal to your tan inverse VBR by VR. Certain that means VBR is equal to tan inverse VBR is equal to 5 by VR means 4, 5 by 4. This is the angle which is making with the flow of the river in this way. So, and thirdly, what is asking here, the net velocity of boatman drift along the river. So along drift x is equal to in this direction. That means river flowing direction. What is the total velocity? Total velocity VBR VBR in the direction of x-axis means a river direction plus the velocity of river VR, the total, and the time taken to cross this river, that is equal to t. So here in x-axis direction VBR is 0 and VR is equal to, you see here, 4 and the time is 10. So that is equal to drift to 40 meters. Okay. In this drift is asking drift along the river. Along the river, x is equal to how much? In the x-axis direction, the velocity VB or in x-axis direction plus velocity of the river into the time t. That is equal to, this is 0, this one is 4, and this one is 6. That is equal to 24 meters. This is the drift. And then here second problem, can the boatman reach the point just opposite on the other side? So to decide this one, VBR is equal to how much is given, 5 meters per second, and VR is equal to 4 meters per second. since V B or is greater than V or it is possible to reach a point just opposite on the side. So it is possible. It is possible. Possible to reach opposite. So and if yes, then make the velocity diagram, then the direction in which you should row is put. So see, this is the river. River direction VR is equal to 4 meters per second. It will be a start from here. This is the exact opposite to B. And to reach this exact opposite, it should rowing velocity should be rolled in this direction V B or making some angle theta, that is equal to VBR is equal to here 5 meters per second. So here the diagram in which he should row his boat and the time taken to cross the river in the case. So exact opposite should be the time taken. Direction is asking. So how much the theta angle is asking. Direction theta is equal to tan inverse. Opposite, how much V B R